Best CMMS software features and its benefits. What is a CMMS? CMMS is a software application used to manage maintenance operations, track equipment maintenance, and improve maintenance efficiency in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, facilities management, more. It helps organizations manage their maintenance activities more efficiently by streamlining processes, reducing downtime, and extending the life of assets. Using a CMMS, maintenance teams can track work orders, schedule routine maintenance, and keep detailed records of all maintenance activities. How does CMMS work? The work process of CMMS includes assets management, work order management, scheduling, and tracking, inventory management, and reporting and analysis. What are the types of CMMS? 1. Desktop CMMS. It is typically used by small to medium-sized businesses with limited maintenance tasks to manage. 2. Web-based CMMS. It is typically used by larger organizations with multiple maintenance teams or locations. 3. Cloud-based CMMS is hosted on a cloud server and accessed through the internet for organizations that want the convenience of a web-based system. 4. Mobile CMMS. It is used by maintenance teams who need to access information while working in the field. 5. Industry-specific CMMS is designed for specific industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, or transportation. So, what are the benefits of a CMMS? 1. A CMMS helps to streamline maintenance operations by providing a centralized system to track work orders, maintenance schedules, and inventory levels. 2. A CMMS can help extend the life of assets by ensuring regular maintenance is performed on equipment, reducing the likelihood of equipment failures, and ensuring assets are used correctly. 3. A CMMS can help reduce costs by optimizing maintenance schedules, reducing emergency repairs, and minimizing the inventory needed to maintain equipment. 4. By ensuring that assets are properly maintained, a CMMS can help improve workplace safety by reducing the risk of accidents and injuries caused by equipment failure. 5. A CMMS can help manage data related to maintenance, including work orders, inventory levels, and maintenance history. It can help organizations make decisions related to maintenance operations and asset management. 6. A CMMS can help organizations comply with regulatory requirements related to maintenance and asset management, ensuring that equipment is properly maintained and inspected. The key features of a CMMS are as follows. 1. Work order automation and management. CMMS provides tools to create, assign, and track work orders. This feature allows maintenance teams to streamline their operations by managing work orders more efficiently. 2. Preventive maintenance. CMMS enables organizations to schedule preventive maintenance tasks. This feature helps organizations to reduce unplanned downtime and extend the life of their equipment. 3. Asset management. CMMS allows organizations to track and manage their assets. This feature helps organizations keep track of their assets' maintenance history, status, and location. 4. Inventory management. CMMS enables organizations to manage their inventory of spare parts and other supplies. This feature helps organizations to avoid stockouts, reduce inventory carrying costs, and streamline the procurement process. 5. Reporting and analytics. CMMS provides reports and analytics that help organizations to analyze their maintenance operations performance, enabling organizations to identify areas for improvement, optimize their maintenance programs, and make data-driven decisions. 6. Mobile access. CMMS allows technicians and maintenance personnel to access the system from mobile devices. This feature enables them to receive work orders, update work status, and access asset information from the field. 7. Integration with other systems. CMMS can be integrated with systems like ERP to provide a comprehensive view of maintenance operations. This feature helps organizations streamline their operations and improve decision-making. To sum it up, CMMS software can potentially revolutionize how businesses track and manage their assets. It can save time, money, and resources while providing better insight into a company's assets. With its ability to automate processes, improve preventive maintenance, and reduce downtime, CMMS software is an excellent tool for any business looking to maximize its asset management.